In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of Slack AI training, privacy guide. We'll walk through how to verify what's enabled in your workspace, how to turn off any available user level controls, and how to work with your admin to protect your data. Settings names can change as Slack updates its interface, so I'll describe the intent behind each action to help you find the right places even if labels shift. Start by confirming your workspace's current stance on Slack AI. Check whether Slack AI features are enabled and ask an admin or owner if the workspace has opted in to data sharing or AI training. If they haven't opted in, you may already be opted out, and you're done. If they have opted in, keep watching for ways to reduce exposure and request the appropriate changes. If your workspace allows individual controls, open Slack on desktop or the web and go to Settings, then Preferences. Look for a section named AI, Slack AI, Privacy, or Data and Permissions. Turn off any options that use your messages for AI responses, send content to Slack's AI systems, or allow Slack AI to read or store your messages. If you don't see these options, your workspace likely hasn't enabled user-level opt-out. In that case, you'll need admin help to apply changes at the workspace level. While you work on settings, be cautious about where you share sensitive information. Even if you disable AI personally, a global Slack AI setting could still capture content from public or shared channels. Keep private client details and confidential discussions in direct messages or private channels with limited membership, and avoid sharing credentials in chat altogether. If you're an admin or can request admin action, go to Workspace Settings and open Security and Privacy, then look for Data and AI or AI Settings. Find an option to disable Slack AI data training or disable Slack AI for the entire workspace and save your changes. This helps prevent workspace messages from being used by Slack's AI systems for training. Next, review external apps and bots. In Workspace Settings, open Apps and Integrations. Check each app's permissions, especially access to messages or files, and remove or restrict anything that sends content outside Slack or integrates external AI without explicit approval. Favor the least access needed to do the job. Finally, document your privacy approach and communicate it. Add a clear note to your internal policy about not using AI for sensitive information. Inform teammates that AI is disabled or limited, and remind everyone to use secure document tools for confidential material instead of chat. Revisit these settings periodically as products evolve. That's it, your roadmap to opting out of Slack AI training and keeping your workspace data more private.